This is the Magic Carman. He should be doing his to-do list, but instead he's on his phone. And what does he do on his phone? I don't know. Not watching YouTube videos? I forgot about this. I have a to-do list. Okay, I can do this. Let's see what's on here. Do laundry, buy groceries, clean apartment, play PS5. Alright. Oh, pet dog. I just did that. So, no, I only have 4 things to do since I just pet my dog. Okay, I can do this. I guess the first thing I have to do is get my laundry. So let's get my laundry. Okay, I'll just clean one shirt. I think that's okay. I have too much to do anyways. Oh, I dropped it. Alright, let's go do the laundry. Now the Magic Carman is going to do his laundry. He's actually going to do it! Let's see if he does it. And if he does it well. Wait, does he even know what laundry is? Now the Magic Carman doesn't know how to do his laundry. He's trying and he doesn't know. Do you separate the colors? Do you put this weird thing in there? No, you don't. What you do is give up, because be like the Magic Carman. I guess I can just text my friend and ask if I need to separate the colors. I don't know. I mean, I think I just throw them in there. Wait a minute. He's texting his friends? Wait a minute. I thought the Magic Carman had no friends. But wait, someone's texting. Let's see. Maybe he does have friends. Yeah, I need to separate them. Okay. First step. Fail. See? What did I tell you? He can't do it! Be like the Magic Carman and don't do your laundry. Okay. Buy groceries. Okay, I can do this. That's it. Go to the store. Buy groceries. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock at night. I should have done this earlier. On the other hand, I can play PS5. Because I already pet the dog. I tried to do laundry. Maybe let's try again tomorrow. PS5, go, 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 Spider-Man. Now that we're at the end of the story, what did you learn? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Don't do your laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little skit. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Leave a like. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And what other videos should I do next? And I love you so much, and you should subscribe if you found this video relatable. And I love you so much, and always remember, you're awesome.